Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is today's question before you. We have to find the value of 50 square minus 49 square, and we are going to follow an easy approach to solve this question. So let us move to next slide. As you can see here, I have noted the question, and we will use the identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. In this case, a is equal to 50 and b is equal to 49. So our next step will be a square minus b square, as you can see, is a plus b times a minus b. So we can write 50 plus 49 times 50 minus 49, where 50 is a and 49 is b. So a plus b times a minus b. Now next step is 50 plus 49 is 99 and 50 minus 49 is 1 times 1. So the answer would be 99. So if you followed this method, this explanation, like my video, and in case you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video.